read and learn. Sky is so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn, shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi is here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today, we taught to the students in the class lowercase letter Q, its formation, its sound, its vocabulary words. But at home, how could you teach letter Q, its formation? Let's start. Start from second line, make semicircle, go up, come straight down and kick. Come straight down and kick. It will make lowercase letter Q. It will make small letter Q. Q and the sound of Q is qu. जैसे डक तो होती है और डक क्या करती है घर पे क्वैक क्वैक क्वैक. ओके, आप एक साइन छोटा सा फ्लैश कार्ड स्टिकी नोट लेके उस पे क्वेश्चन मार्क का एक साइन बना के तो आप वो भी सिखा सकती हैं. Q is for question, question, quiet. Queen and quill. After that, ask different questions. They are written over here. Like how many Qs are there in the above sentence and who holds the quill. Okay? I hope so you enjoyed this lecture. आप इसको बहुत अच्छी तरह समझा होगा और आपको बहुत आसानी होगी घर पे बच्चों को काम करवाने में. शुक्रिया. अल्लाह हाफ़िज़.